Hi everyone! Hi, how are you? My name is Bailey and I am here to record a video about a new Play-Doh tool. A new Play-Doh tool. You know, when you're playing with Play-Doh, I have my Play-Doh here. When you're playing with Play-Doh, you know, there's those rolly things, those pinwheels. You roll on it and you make it flat. Well, we're going to make one of those things, but we're going to make it so it makes a design. Yeah, it's going to make a design in your Play-Doh so you can have lines, you can have squiggles, you can do a bunch of stuff. So today that's what we're going to be making. So for now, the Play-Doh needs to go to the side. We're not using that quite yet. Uh-oh, I got some blue on my hands. Icky. So what you need for this is you need a crayon, just one crayon. You need a toilet paper or a paper towel roll. And if you have a paper towel roll, you should cut it. Have a grown-up help you cut it to make it small. And this is important. So this step is only for a grown-up, okay? A hot glue gun. Okay, so that's what you're going to need a grown-up's help with. But first, we are going to start with the fun part. Oops, sorry. But first, we're going to start with the drawing. So what you're going to do is, look, there's nothing on this, but it looks like you can draw on it. So think to yourself, when I roll on my Play-Doh, what design do I want on it? And what a design is the things that go into the Play-Doh when you roll it on. It imprints, it makes a shape, or it makes kind of like a picture on the Play-Doh. So what do I want that to look like when I roll this over the Play-Doh? What do I want to be there? I think I would like some squigglies. So I'm going to draw some squigglies on this, and then we will see how it looks when I am done. Okay, so I drew my squigglies. Do you see how I drew them all the way around? So we could have the same shape when I roll it. So when I roll it, it's going to keep putting squiggles on whatever Play-Doh I'm pressing it down on. So now that you have your design or your shapes on your roll, this is where a grown-up needs to come in and help, because they are going to put the hot glue onto the squiggles or whatever shape you did. So they'll put it on, and then when it's hard and dry and cool, it'll make the shapes in the Play-Doh. Remember, this step is for grown-ups, so you go and ask for help. Wow, okay. So I just put the glue on and I'm going to sit it there and wait for it to cool so it does not burn me when I touch it. I'll just sit and wait. I think it's ready. Make sure to get a grown-up to check it first. Yep, it's ready. So if you take a look real close, you'll see the parts that are sticking up. That's where I put my squigglies. That's where I put my squigglies. So I just put my glue over top of my squigglies. So then when I roll it onto some Play-Doh, the squigglies show up. Because it's not going to show up if it's flat, right? If it's just a drawing. But this part is sticking out. so it helps it show up. Should we try it? I think so. I think we're ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the table and squish it just a little bit flat so it makes it easier to see. Okay, here we go. So we have our hot glue gun squiggles, and as you can see, I already got a little bit of Play-Doh on there. And let's try it. Oh my goodness. It worked! Can you see here? I'll show you. Look at the squiggles that got onto the Play-Doh. Do you see that? Yeah, those are the little lines I put on. And you can do this with almost any kind of design. I decided to do squiggles, but you could do polka dots. You could do straight lines. You could do craziness. It doesn't even matter. But yeah, you can do it however you like. So I think I'm gonna go make some more so I can play with my Play-Doh and my rollers. So if you make one of these, make sure to take a picture or a video of you doing it and send it in to us. We would love to see it. Okay, well thank you so much, and I hope you have fun playing with your Play-Doh. Bye!